Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by launching Google Colab and creating a new notebook. This is the fastest, supported way to run Python inside Google's ecosystem. Once you sign in, pick Python 3 as the runtime and connect to the hosted backend, so code executes remotely. You do this because Colab provisions compute, handles dependencies, and links to Drive. Make sure to check runtime type for GPU or TPU if your task needs acceleration. Then proceed to install any extra pip packages in the first code cell. Once connected, mount Google Drive to persist files between sessions so you don't lose work. Use from Google. Colab import Drive and Drive. Mount. Next, install required packages inside the notebook. Run %pip install package to ensure the kernel picks it up. You should load data directly from Drive or fetch it via URL or Sheets API depending on source. Make sure to organize data paths and environment variables early. Because reproducibility depends on consistent mounts and explicit installs rather than hidden global state. Finally, execute cells in order and save your notebook to Drive so changes persist. Share by link or push to GitHub for collaboration. If something breaks, reset the runtime to clear state, then reinstall packages and reconnect. This resolves most dependency or memory issues. You should inspect pip list and kernel logs to identify version mismatches and restart the runtime when libraries conflict. One quick tip: if long-running cells hang, interrupt then reset. That single step fixes most execution deadlocks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.